Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So firstly, let's change our background to white. So for that, right mouse here, go to new and click to solid. And let's make it white. And click OK and let's rename it to background. Click OK. And let's lock it from there. Now let's go to type tool. So for that you can just click to here or you can press Ctrl T for that. And let's just click to here and let's write 0 because we're gonna start from 0. Now select it and let's go to color and let's change it to dark blue like this. And click OK. Now go to the line and let's move it to the center. And hold Ctrl and double click to here to move the anchor point to the center. Now let's select this text and go to effects presets and let's search for slider. And let's double click to here. To animate it, just let's open the text settings and from there to text. And let's hold out and let's click to here and then let's link it to slider control like this. And click just here. If you change here, the number is gonna change as well. Let's see it. Okay, nice. Now let's test it. Let's make a keyframe for that and go to 30 seconds. Now let's change it like this. Let's select the text layer and press U so we can see the keyframes. Now let's preview it. Okay, as you said, there is some problem with the numbers, but you don't have to worry because there is a solution to remove them. Okay, now let's close it again and let's open the settings, go to text. Okay, so first let's just click to here as well and let's disable our keyframes. Now let's go to first keyframe and let's write here to 0. Now let's hold out and let's click to here and let's do it one more time. And let's paste our expression, and these guys that you see are the owners of this expression, so all the copyright belongs to them. Let's press Ctrl V and let's change the size, and as you can see we have already linked our expression to our slider controller. And if you ask what is this one, it just changes the numbers after, like for example you wanna write 1.5, so you just have to write here 1. But if you want to add more numbers after the point, it depends on you how many numbers you want to add after the point. So for example, let's test it. Let's write here 5 and let's click here. So as you said, there are 5 numbers after the 0, and I'm gonna make it 0 because I don't want any number after this point. Now let's go to first keyframe and let's make a slider keyframe and let's go to 5 seconds and let's change it like this. Maybe I'm gonna change it to 5000. Okay, nice. Let's preview it. Okay, cool. Now let's select this text and hold Ctrl and double click to it again and let's move the anchor point to the center. Also, the last thing that I'm gonna explain to you guys, if you want to change this comma with the point, you can just do it from there. And if you write here point, it will be the point in the middle, but I prefer the comma, so I'm gonna use comma. And also the last thing that I'm gonna tell you, for example, you wanna add any currency to the beginning, so for that let's just make this, and for example let's make a dollar sign and then just write here plus. Okay, as you see, it's done. Or maybe we want to add a euro like this. Okay, nice. For now I'm gonna delete it. Okay, now let's make an example graph. So for that let's go to the pen tool and let's remove the fill and click OK. Now let's change the stroke size. Let's make it 10 and change the color to black like this. Let's hold shift and let's make a line like this and to there. Nice. Now let's move it to the back. Let's go to pen tool again and let's make a graph line like this as an example. And to here. Now select the shape layer tool and let's open it and go to the end and let's add trim paths. Let's open the trim paths and go to first second. Let's make an end keyframe and let's make it 0. Okay, and then go to 3 seconds and let's make it 100. And select keyframes, make them easy. Let's select the text, let's change the scale to maybe 60. And let's move it to here somewhere. And also we can make the numbers like it's increasing slowly. So for that, let's select this text and press U to see the keyframes. Let's move this keyframe to here and select the keyframes. Let's make them easy firstly and go to graph editor. Let's select this one and let's move it to the right and this one like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Also, let's move this text to here somewhere, or maybe to down. Okay, this one is more better. Let's see it again. Okay, nice. So you can use it on your animations. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.